Hi everyone, my name is Kate. I'm the Assistant Site Manager at the President James K. Polk Site in Pineville, North Carolina. And today I just wanted to share a really simple craft with you, something that you can do at home with recycled materials or scraps left over from other projects. This is a rag doll. More specifically, this style is often called a handkerchief doll. So you can make a really simple one like this, or you can add a little personality to it with some embellishments. We'll talk about that towards the end of the video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so that's how you make a basic handkerchief doll. But like I mentioned, you can add your own embellishments and personalize your doll. I've got another one here that I will post a photo of that a volunteer of ours made. And this one's made from a more delicate little handkerchief. She also has a tie at what would be the waist, so a little piece of string tied just here, and even some yarn added for hair and a little necklace. Right? If you wanted to make a different type of rag doll that's not exactly like the handkerchief doll, if you have some basic sewing skills, you could also make a doll like this one here. And it's kind of the same idea, just got simple arms and something to kind of define the waist and the head, and even some little strips here for hair. So it's a project to get you started, but you can totally go with your own creativity and make something that's very personal to you. Hope you guys have a great one. We'll be back next week with another simple craft to keep you entertained at home. Thanks.